Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Zoran and today I'm going to show you how to make money online for free. How to do affiliate marketing by driving free traffic. Well, actually it will cost you just $1, but I'm even going to show you how to get that $1 for free. So it will cost you literally nothing, so you don't have any excuse of not making money online. And this is beginner friendly, so even if you never done anything like this in your life, you will know how to do this because I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So without further ado, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin.
Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. After you choose your niche, you need to find products to promote. And for that, you can use ClickBank, you can use Digistore24, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus or some other affiliate network. But I like to use ClickBank, so I'm here on ClickBank Marketplace. And let's say I'm in the relationship niche, so I will scroll here and I'm going to click on self-help and then on marriage and relationships. And then I'm going to click here and sort this by gravity. And then I'm going to scroll here and click must have affiliate tools page. So now you need to go through these products, through all of these products, you need to check their sales pages, affiliate tools pages, you need to go and read some reviews. And the reason for that is, even though some of these products doesn't have high gravity, they are actually good products and you can promote them and make good money with those products. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, his secret obsession. So I will open their affiliate tools page in the new tab. Before we continue, it would mean a lot to me if you like this video and also if you subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. By the way, if ClickBank doesn't work in your country, you can simply go on Digistore24, click here on dating and relationship, and as you can see, first result is his secret obsession, exactly the same product like on ClickBank. You can actually find most of the ClickBank products on Digistore24 as well. So if you would like to promote one of the ClickBank products but ClickBank doesn't work in your country, you can simply go on Digistore24, find exactly the same product, start promoting that product and start making money with Digistore24. So let's go on their affiliate tools page. Now their affiliate tools page is a bit tricky, so pay close attention. Here you can see they are offering you some tools to promote their products. But what you need to do is actually, you need to scroll down on the bottom and click on Get Started Now. And scroll here and click on Skip the Commission Bump. And you will come to their real affiliate tools page. And here you can see they are offering you even more tools in order to promote their product. So what we actually need is articles and landers. And we need to click here on Custom PDF Reports. And here you can choose one of these three PDF reports. Now you can use one of their PDF reports or you can simply go on free PLR downloads and you can use one of these ebooks. So let me just scroll here and okay, let's just click on relationship. And free PLR downloads will give you a list of free PLR ebooks in the relationship niche. And you can use one of these ebooks to actually promote their product. But we are actually going to use one of their PDF reports. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to add my ClickBank ID. If you are using Digistore24, you will add your Digistore24 ID. So this is my ClickBank ID and I need to scroll here. I need to confirm that I am not robot and click here, generate your personalized PDF report. And they will automatically add your ClickBank affiliate link in their report. So let me just scroll here, or Digistore24 affiliate link. So let me just scroll here. And as you can see here, when I hover over this, it contains my ClickBank ID. So this is my ClickBank affiliate link. But that is not quite eye-catchy. I actually wish to do something different, something that will catch people's attention, something that will catch people's eyes so I can get even more clicks. So what I need to do, I actually need to download this report. So I will click here in upper right corner on download and save this PDF file, okay. And what I need to do next is, I need to go on a website called PDF Escape and I need to click here on free online. And I need to click here on upload PDF document. Click here and then click on browse. And let me just find the document that I downloaded. This is the document. Give it a few seconds to upload that document. So this is my report. So what I actually wish to do is I will scroll here and I will click on text. So I will add my text here. So let me just do this. And I will actually say something like this. Visit our free presentation on how to become his secret obsession. And I will highlight this and I will make it bigger. So let me just say 16, for example, and make it bold, and I will make it even larger. So let me just say 20, for example. Okay, I need to make it smaller. Let's say 18, no, 17, okay. And now I need to add my affiliate link, ClickBank affiliate link or Digistore24 affiliate link. So I will click here on link and I need to highlight this like this, okay? And I need to add my link. Let me just, okay, click OK, and that's it. I added my link. And I will add this sentence here and my affiliate link on every page on this report. There is 17 pages and I will add this on 17 places on this report. After I finish, all I have to do is just click here on save here on the left side, save document, give it a few seconds, and then click here on download. And click here save file and click OK, and that's it. I saved this on my desktop. So now I need to submit this ebook or this PDF report to PDF submission websites in order to promote my affiliate link. And I can manually submit this PDF report on SlideShare, on Script, on Issue, on Lulu, on Calameo, and so on and so on. And like I said, you can do this manually or you can simply pay someone to do that for you. All you have to do is just go on a website called SEO Clerks. SEO Clerks is exactly the same like Fiverr. Fiverr, it is a freelance website, but cheaper. So here in search bar, just type PDF submission and then click search. And you can even sort this, just click here on sort, and you can sort it by price, by likes, new, views, ratings. I will actually sort this by rating, and SEO Clerks will give me best rated gigs on PDF submission. As you can see here, this guy will submit your PDF document to 10 PDF submission websites for just $2. This guy here will manually create and submit your document on PDF submission websites for $4. This girl here will submit your PDF document to 40 PDF submission websites for just $5. 25 PDF submission websites for just $1. This guy here, he will submit your PDF document to 10 document sharing websites for just $1. And you can find lots of these people who will submit your PDF document for $1, $2, or $3, maybe $5. And you don't have to do it by yourself. And they will submit it to 10, 20, 50, 1 to 70 websites for just $3. And if you don't have $1 or $3, you can easily earn that $1 or $3. And to earn that $1, all you have to do is just go on a website called Pico Workers. Pico Workers is another freelance website and it's absolutely free. And even if you are absolute beginner, you can do this. These are simple tasks that literally anybody can do this. Twitter commenting, watching YouTube videos, visiting websites, and so on and so on. So it is really, really simple. So even if you are absolute beginner, you can earn that $1. As you can see, for these simple tasks, you can earn 3 cents, 4 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents. So in less than an hour, you can earn that $1 and then just go back on SEO Clerks, pay one of these guys $1 or $2 to manually submit your PDF document, your PDF ebook to PDF submission websites and start driving free traffic to your affiliate offer and start making money. It's that simple. And it's absolutely free. Like I said, you don't have to invest any money. You don't need website. You don't need any software. It's absolutely free. So this is how you do affiliate marketing without website by driving free traffic to your affiliate offers.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.